Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the handbrake of the car gaming setup project. If you didn't watch my previous videos of making the steering wheel and the pedals, I have given a link in the description so that you can watch it. So let's see how we can make this handbrake.
So to make this, you will need a push button, some wires, an RCA cable, a handbrake and a body for the handbrake, and some nuts and bolts. So this is the circuit diagram of this project. You just need to connect these two wires of the RCA cable to the push button.
So after you connect them like that, you need to place the push button in here as you can see. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos in the future.